So that healing brush tool is similar to the clone stamp tool. You still need to sample the information. And the healing brush tool has a brush size as well as actually a spot healing brush has a sample size and the brush size, very similar to how the clone stamp tool works, right? And you like to make sure that the current layer and below is selected instead of just the current layer, because current layer is transparency. And you like to most likely use the lined option at the top. Other things, I'm going to hold on to this. Use the normal blending mode, and the fusion part that is a default of 5, just keep it as is. It's something to do with the softness of the surrounding area. And you simply go in here, hold option to sample, and let go, and come over to clean. Hold option, and I think my brush is a little too big, and then come over to the area that you like to clean. Hold option to sample, and then clean, basically. The difference between the clone stamp tool and the healing brush is that healing brush, if you sample from the dark area like this, right? I'm sampling from this background, and I'm going to try to come over to his head in here. It's not putting the dark dot here. Even if I'm sampling from the dark area in the background. This tool basically is trying to match the tonality of the surrounding area. So it's a little more forgiving. Little more forgiving than clone stamp tool.